Hello everybody, this is Siddharth back with you with Paracrew. This is a hands-on review on Google's latest Android M, which was announced yesterday at Google I/O 2015. This is a developer preview image, so keep in mind that this is not the end product of Android M. It still has some bugs. It's definitely not a daily driver for your phone, but if you are really interested into it, you can actually download the developer preview images, which are available with for a wide line of Nexus devices, including from Nexus 5 up to Nexus 6. And also some Nexus tablets, I believe the Nexus 7, 9, and 10, if I am not mistaken. But anyways, let me go forward with the review. We are currently using the image on the Nexus 5. And this is actually the home screen. Let me tour you around. You got your pretty standard dialer, which is same as Lollipop. You got the messaging app is Hangouts. The same version as on Lollipop. Folders pretty much work the same way as they did in Lollipop. You got your Google commands over here. Don't worry, the microphone cannot connect because we're using it for the recording, otherwise it works perfectly fine. Now, you got your pretty much standard Chrome, which is integrated with the Recents panel, which I'm going to show you in a while. Yeah, then you got your Google Play Store, which is pretty much the latest version that is available. Your pre-installed Google apps over here. And what everybody has been looking at is the App Drawer panel, which I am going to show you right now. This is the App Drawer panel. Yeah, don't worry, people, I am also kind of disappointed in it. On the first row is actually the 4 most used apps of the phone, which can be determined by the usage. You can't actually customize these 4. There's also the search panel, which is actually new into the apps panel in case you have a lot of apps. But the design philosophy below is like the Windows Phone one. I really don't believe into this design. I believe it needs some love, especially since you see like the letters and the rows are kind of messed up. I believe it actually needs some fine tuning in order for this to go to the end development phase and be a part of Android M. Well, on the other side, it's pretty much a standard version of your Google Now launcher. It has all the features and stuff. Wallpapers are pretty much standard the way they are selected and stuff. Yeah, let me go back. Also, with this version of Google Now, what you can actually do is, for example, I want to uninstall this app. For example, is that you can directly uninstall apps from the home screen rather from the apps panel, which is a feature I really missed since Jelly Bean, I believe. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the home screen. Now, what I'm going to show you is actually the lock screen. There you go. This is your lock screen. What it has is the notifications, which are dismissible through the lock screen. You can also pull down to actually enlarge the notifications. And also, when you pull down, you actually have the panel, the quick toggle panel, which you can actually expand directly. It's not, it expands itself up to this point, and you can actually just pull down. This is a nice addition to the lock screen. I really like it. To go back, it also has a new font on the clock over here, if you can see. Also, on the lock screen, we no longer have the dialer on the left side. We have the voice commands of Google Now, which I'm going to show you right now. We just pull it over. Can't open microphone because we are actually using the microphone. Let me go back. Yeah, you're pretty much standard unlock, swipe gesture, and your camera, which you can swipe to open. I'm going to show you the camera later. It's pretty much a Google camera at the moment with some retuned features. Anyways, let's go to the quick toggles panel. What is new and what is not new? Everything is not new over here. You got your pretty much standard users and stuff done. You got your Wi-Fi quick panel, your Bluetooth panel and stuff. But you also have this do not disturb icon, which I still have not played with around. I believe it's like when you go for sleep at night, you can actually put it on some sort of do not disturb mode. I haven't really played with this one yet, but I intend to do so. Pretty much every Lollipop compatible application works on Android M developer preview. Yeah, Now, let's go back to the settings so I can show you what's new over here. Your wireless and network panels over here at the top have not changed almost at all. I don't know about data usage. Yeah, data usage has not changed. Display has nothing new. Sound and notification. I'm not sure if it has new notification sounds, but I'm gonna play with this later. Oh, the storage panel has had a refresh. It actually, the new layout helps with phones that have internal and external storage, and also USB OTG storage. It has them all listed over here, and you can open them to get the sub panel that is available in Android Lollipop. Let me go back. The battery panel has pretty much not changed. What has been refreshed is the apps panel. Now it has only one tab, it's not tabbed to the left and right, and it has every app in it. I think you can also filter it from here, show system and reset app preference and stuff. For example, let me open the Chrome app. It over here has the permissions, you can see them from over here, the notification access and stuff. It's pretty much better organized this way. I really liked what Google did over here. Then tap and pay. This is actually gonna feature the Android Pay feature when it comes to the end consumer phase. The page still needs some organizing. For example, when I hit how it works, does nothing. It's really promising to have Android Pay. Location has nothing new, neither security, accounts, nothing. Oh, what you have seen now is the new Google panel, which is actually the app from, some of you might remember, there's a Google settings gray icon normally in the apps panel, but is now integrated into the settings. That's nothing new, it's just into the settings, the Google tab. There's nothing new on these tabs as far as I'm concerned, but on the developer options, I don't know if this was on Lollipop, but I believe it was not. There's under here where it says theme, you can hit light, dark, or automatic. If I hit dark, you see the UI comes kind of gray, which is a nice theme. I really like it. It's more easy on the eye. But you can also tune it to automatic, which actually turns white during the day and black during the night. Now let me go to the About Phone panel to show you that we are actually running Android M. There you go. We're running Android M on the Nexus 5. And this is the build number for the M builds. You can multi-tap it to enable the developer options and then use the themes if you like. Also, let me show you the Easter egg from Android M, which is, unlike Android L developer images, this actually has an Easter egg. Let me show you what it is. For example, if I keep it long pressed, you get this smiley icon. Don't know if you saw it. Let me do it once more. Yeah, there you go. Get that smiley icon from Google showing that there's no actual Easter egg yet. This is pretty much the settings panel. I guess there's not really much to show. I guess what I can do is now show you the camera, and yeah, contacts and everything has stayed the same. These are the pretty much pre-installed apps that come with the developer image, with the exception of Quick Pick and the AZ screen recorder. Everything else is pretty much pre-installed. Now let me show you about the new camera. It's actually pretty much a version of the Google camera, which has just changed the focus icon, I believe. There's nothing really new with the camera. Yeah, I believe the camera can actually use some love as far as performance goes, because if I really remember, the Nexus 5 has actually a better camera performance than the one I am seeing at the moment. Pretty much there's nothing new, just the focus icon. There you go. Just the focus icon is this circle, this actually the circle that is getting bigger and smaller. Let me shoot a photo. And you also have it in like circular icon over here, which you can access. Also, there is no new, the gallery is not released yet. I believe it was just for the Nexus devices. It uses the Google Photo app. So we do not have the gallery at the moment. And also, I believe in the end image, Hangouts will be replaced with the Google Messaging app, which on non-Nexus devices. This is the notification panel. Let me show you the recents, which I have not shown you earlier. Just dismiss them this way. There's no clear all button as in Cyanogen or other ROMs, and I'm kind of disappointed by that. I think Google should implement that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Android M hands-on preview. Thank you really much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll be seeing you into the next video. Also, if you have any suggestions for my YouTube channel, for a new video or something, please drop it below, as we're always open to ideas. Thank you very much. I guess I'll see you in my next video.